Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan French onion soup. Starting off, you're going to want a kilo of peeled onions, which we're then going to chop, 1 handful of vegan shredded cheese, potentially a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 8 cloves of garlic, the more the merrier, half a cup of gravy powder, 50 grams of vegan butter, half a cup of white wine, 3 bay leaves, a teaspoon of thyme, some salt to taste, a teaspoon of rosemary, and a teaspoon of black pepper. You're also going to want half a baguette. I'm going to start off by chopping my onions. You can have them finely chopped, roughly chopped, doesn't really matter. Now thin slicing the garlic cloves, and we're going to start cooking. So I'm going to melt the vegan butter down, I'm going to add in the garlic, and what I want to do is just infuse this with all the herbs that I've got there. Next, going in with the onions, I want to sweat these down, they'll reduce slightly. Once they release all the moisture, let all the flavours kick in. Adding a bit of salt to help draw out some of the moisture. Putting a lid on that for about 10-15 minutes. Stir it in between. And then go in with the white wine. It's not necessarily a deglaze here, I still want that flavour in there. Next, I'm going in with the gravy granules. I've added half a cup, but later on, I try it, I test it, I add a little bit more in there. Next, I'm just going to cover that with water. Add in the bay leaves. Giving it a good stir. Top it off with more water if you feel necessary. As you can see, the gravy I'm using is Bisto, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. And this is going to give it that beef stock flavour.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now that's ready. It's thick enough, so I'm not adding in the flour. It's good to go. I'm carving up the baguette into 1-inch pieces, and I'm filling up the soup. Gonna dunk 1 or 2 of those baguette slices on there, and I'm just gonna top it off with the vegan mozzarella and a little bit of the thyme. Stick it in the oven till the bread goes crunchy and the cheese melts, and you're good to go. And there you have it, folks. Personally, I'll be completely honest, I hate vegan cheese. I really don't like it. And I'm just waiting for the day someone comes out with a really good vegan mozzarella. I've been praying for this day for many, many years. Hopefully the day will come where it stretches, it chews, and it melts. Until that day, folks, feel free to subscribe, like and comment on my video. It's always appreciated. Ciao for now. See you next week. Love you all.